In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your files using OneDrive or SharePoint with the help of Copilot. This powerful tool can save you time and make your life easier by automating the process of categorizing and tagging files, ensuring that you can always find what you need right when you need it. To start, you'll want to open your OneDrive or SharePoint application. Make sure that Copilot is enabled, as this will give you access to the advanced features that will make managing your files a breeze. Once you're in, the first thing you'll ask Copilot to do is to automatically categorize and tag your files. This step is key to keeping your files organized without having to manually sort through each one. When you instruct Copilot to handle this task, it analyzes your files and applies relevant categories and tags based on their content and context. This automation can significantly cut down the time you spend on file management, enabling you to focus on more pressing tasks. And after Copilot has done its thing, it's important to take a moment to review the suggestions that it provides. This review process is crucial because it allows you to ensure that files are organized in a way that makes sense to you and fits your workflow. You'll have the opportunity to look through the proposed categorizations and tags. If you agree with them, you can approve the changes, or if there's anything you feel needs adjustment, you can tweak those suggestions to better match your needs. By taking the time to review these changes, you maintain control over how your files are organized while still benefiting from the efficiency that Copilot offers. Once your files are well organized, using OneDrive or SharePoint becomes a much more pleasant experience. You can then take full advantage of the search and filter features. These tools enable you to locate files with ease, no matter how extensive your collection might be. The tags and categories applied by Copilot make searching for your documents as simple as typing in a keyword, and the filters allow you to narrow down your results, ensuring you find exactly what you're looking for in record time. By entrusting some of the routine aspects of file management to Copilot, you're not just saving time, you're also reducing the likelihood of misplacing important documents. Plus, the more you use Copilot, the more tailored and intuitive its suggestions become, further enhancing your productivity in the long term. So, next time you need to manage files in OneDrive or SharePoint, remember these steps to streamline your workflow and keep your digital life running smoothly. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or stories about how Copilot has helped you, feel free to share them in the comments below.